We're done with classes for today, so we can take a break. But someone has to work. Nikki, look! A closet under the stairs.
Oh.
Interesting. And don't litter in here, okay? Well, should we check it out? Just be quiet.
Oh.
And this will be our secret room under the stairs, Sue. And we need building materials. The school is full of them. Follow me. The horizon is clear. Let's get to work. We could use that curtain. Come here. You'll have a new home. Quiet. Even quieter. I hope nobody catches us. Bear, you're mine now. Oh, a globe. That'll come in handy too. And Nikki has big plans for these folders. We'll take them with us. Principal, are you in position? Don't worry. The school is in good hands. Everyone gets an A. And burgers for lunch. Oh, I'm too busy. I'll just take this lamp. Nothing else we can use here. It's time to go back to the secret room. Sue has a decent catch, too. Look what I got. Go ahead. We've got a lot of work to do. It's so spacious in here. But there's a lot of junk. Let's clear out some space. Serve it up, Sue. We don't need buckets and mops. We can keep this. It looks bright. The secret room is the best place to play. Pick any game. But Sue's out of luck today. Nikki won again. There's an idea. We'll decorate the walls with brightly colored stickers. That's genius, Nikki. This is so easy. When you have stickers, you don't even need wallpaper. We'll take that too, Sue. As you wish, Nikki. The secret room is so bright now. But it's still not soft enough in here. Sue knows what to do. Nikki, this is our new rug. Spread it out. Stop sitting there. How beautiful and so comfortable. Now we can relax here when we're on a break. But Sue still has plenty of ideas. Where should I put this curtain? Nikki has a solution. Sue, look. Looks good, right? Wow, a hammock is what we've been missing. Let's do this, Nikki. We can handle it. Making a hammock is easy. Just tie a knot on the edge of the curtain. Make it tight, and then tie the fabric with a rope. Now, we fasten the hammock to the wall and tie the other edge to the staircase. Nikki, I'm all set. So, is it time to test the new hammock? Whoa, it's solid and very comfortable. The room under the stairs just keeps getting better and better. But this is just the beginning. Time for refreshments. Yep, here come the goodies. Sue, are you with me? Oh yeah, but first, let's make some food shelves. And we can use these folders. Are you sure, Sue? Yeah, Nikki, look. We'll make holes here. Pull ribbons through the holes and mount it on the wall. Yay, it worked. So many snacks will fit in here, and they will always be around. Just reach out and take them. Nikki, come join me. But her best friend has another idea. Those sponges shouldn't lie around anymore. They'll make a soft decoration for the nightstand. Here we go. Let's place the sponges on the nightstand and then glue them. This is a work of art, Nikki. A soft Rubik's Cube. I tried so hard, Sue. Now there's a place for textbooks in the secret room. The secret room must remain a secret. But there are so many people in the school. Someone's coming. Close the doors, girl. We're not here, boy. Honestly. But you can keep the ball. Great! The secret room wasn't revealed. Shall we play, girl? Catch this! Sue is a champion basketball player. Victory will be hers. But not tonight. The ball is ruined. A pin destroyed it. Don't panic, Nikki. We can still use that ball. Let's cut the top off and decorate it with a funny face. And now, let's start drawing. Pink is everything. And the final touch. Add a little black. Look, Nikki, now we have a flower vase. Great idea, Sue.
Oh.
Flowers in the original vase will freshen up any interior. Students, we have a test. Let's begin. And don't you dare cheat. This is serious. You can't do without the help of a friend here. I'm on the phone, Sue. Come in, girl. Write it down. The secret room saves Nikki from a bad grade. But the teacher can't be fooled. Is someone here cheating? That won't do. Over and out, girls. Nikki! Nikki! Are you there? Alas, the cardboard phone is unreliable. Something wrong, Nikki? The test is waiting for you. That's not fair! Who invented these tests anyway?
Hey!
Nikki, you're resting again! Who's going to do the homework? Look how many exercises there are! No way, girl. Homework isn't my thing. I'm so tired. Sue, on the other hand, is a responsible student. She will complete every assignment. But there's no table in the secret room. No comfort. We'll have to think of something. That's weird. What's Nikki doing with spaghetti? Well, I got an idea. We're not eating pasta. We're gonna make a great table. We already have the base. It'll all work out. We pierce the styrofoam with spaghetti. And put the second piece of styrofoam on top. Done! But the table has to be beautiful, right? Let's decorate it with stickers. And glue a fluffy ribbon around the edge. Homework should be done tastefully. Here we go. So much homework today. Oh, that's the bell! Hey. Nikki, wake up! You have PE! Oh, I'm almost late. Thanks, girl. You always help me out. The popular girls at the gym have their own atmosphere. Hi, girls. Of course, classmates don't notice anyone. That's okay. Let's go! What century is your uniform from, Nikki? Don't you have anything better? Okay, the main thing is not to pay attention to them. But the classmates won't get off that easy. Ouch! That hurts! Nikki, watch your feet! You're so clumsy! So, how could they? What happened, Nikki? They tripped me! Can you imagine? We'll get revenge! Follow me. Time to ambush them! Here are our targets. We're gonna teach them a lesson. Sue's really good at this. Oh, what is that? Girl, you're all wet! Hurry up and change! Nikki, we did it! Thank you, Sue.
Wow.
High five! You can't take pretty selfies in the dark like that. What can I do? Lamp, your time has come. The light is there now, but this lamp doesn't fit the interior. We'll fix it. Let's paint the lampshade. And done. I didn't even need brushes. Nikki, what are you doing? Shall we have a snack? No time, Sue. We can use the gummy bears, though. We'll decorate the lampshade with them. That looks good. Nikki, wait! We have this handsome guy, too. Great, Sue. Smile! You get the best selfies in the secret room. And the lamp makes it even cozier in here. Sue has one little secret. She likes Ryan, and today is a chance to win his heart. Would you like to see my secret room? What? Come on, I'll show you around. Welcome. Make yourself at home. Wow, the secret room under the stairs. Sue had a great idea, but the date will have to be paused. Nikki's here. Hi, girl. What are you doing, Sue? This is our secret room. What are they whispering about? You're right, Nikki. Ryan, we don't have time for this. Here you go, and don't say a word. As you wish, girls. Just shh, don't tell anyone. It's a secret room. But Ryan got caught. Confess, kid! Is there a secret room in our school? No, Mr. Principal. Have you heard anything about the party? Tell me. No party, no secret room either. I don't believe it. There are invitations. But Ryan is a tough nut to crack. He won't give Sue away. And there really will be a party at school in the secret room.
Oh.
Everyone is invited.
Hey.
It'll be great, I promise. Come! Do you guys remember we're having a party? Music, dancing, goodies. Don't miss it. Nikki, this is gonna be the party of the year. We just have to add a festive atmosphere to the room. A disco ball will do the trick. Nikki, help! This is so much better. The room under the stairs is glowing. Here come the first guests. Come on in. Make yourselves comfortable. Good to see you, Ryan. The party was a success. You can do whatever you want in the secret room. We did a good job, Sue. But we better keep the music down. Otherwise, the principal will hear. Oh no, the party is in jeopardy. I'm coming, kids. Someone's coming! Let's go according to plan, closing the doors, and sit quietly. But we need a distraction here, like playing a drum. What's going on here? Principal, I'm just rehearsing. This school, not a minute of peace. Nicely done, guys. Let's keep the party going. The party was saved. And then we can have a movie night. What's on the air tonight? Oh, look! There's a new video on the Teen Times channel. Wow, that's a funny story. Like this video. Follow the link in the description to our new channel. And don't forget to subscribe.